Hello, in this video tutorial I will demonstrate you how you can switch between existing views. As we can see at the point views to the right hand side, we already have 4 different views in our project: a 2D view, a 3D view and 2 section views. The current view is the 3D view, which is selected in red color. If we want now to switch, for example, into the 2D view, we select it with a left mouse click, right mouse button, and we select Set as Current Element. The 2D view gets displayed now. If we want, for example, to switch into the section view A, we select it again with a left mouse click, right mouse button, and Set as Current Element. Of course, there is a key combination to switch faster between the views. We want to switch fast, for example, into the section view B. Therefore, we press and hold the Ctrl key and click the left mouse button on section view B. We successfully switched the view, and to get back into the 3D view, we press and hold the Ctrl key again and click the left mouse button on 3D view. We successfully switched back into the 3D view, and now we click on the symbol vertical to position all existing views vertical next to each other. The views got vertical positioned next to each other, and now we zoom into a position with a good overview in each of the views. Now we have 4 different views with 4 different view angles on the 3D model in our project. If we enter now, for example, a wall, we select therefore Building, Walls, External Wall, and between 2 points chain. We can see the wall in each of the views, but always in different view angles on the 3D model in the project. We press Escape, we select the wall and press Delete. In the next step, I will show you 2 different ways how we can close views. The first option is to select the desired view and to close it with the red X in the right upper corner of the window. We do the same thing with the section view below. We select it and close it with the red X. And when we take now a look at the point views at the right hand side, we can see that the section view did not get deleted, it only got deselected. To delete a section view, we need to use the second option, which we highly recommend to close all views. For the second option, we select the desired view at the right side at Views with a left mouse click. We press the right mouse button and we select Close View. The view is closed, and this option works for both for section views and 2D or 3D views. Another option to switch fast between existing views are the tab pages. Therefore, we select View and Tab Pages. A bar with a tab for every view in our project is added. By clicking with a left mouse click on a tab, we can switch between the existing views. If we click one more time on Tab Pages, all views get displayed again, and we can, for example, position them vertical next to each other. And we maximize the 3D view again. Please note that it is definitely wrong to switch between views by always clicking on 2D or 3D if you don't need an additional view. For example, if you want to work in two views at the same time. Clicking on 3D or 2D adds new views, what easily leads to losing the overview over a project. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.